Good evening. Today we will be discussing the APK tool installation and basic usage on a Windows setup. First thing, launch your browser of choice, type APK tool into the search, click the second link, and then download the APK tool 1.52 binary and the install for Windows. Once you've done so, you can simply launch your Explorer and then go to wherever you downloaded it. As you see, I have downloaded them both here and then expanded them to these folders over here. As you notice, they're going to be empty because I actually moved all of the files that were contained in this folder to my desktop in a folder called APK tool. There will be 3 of these files, these first 3. And as you notice, these additional 2 are what I'm going to be using to demonstrate this tutorial. So that's going to be the systemui.apk and the framework-res.apk. So let's just jump right into it. Launch a command prompt in this folder, so click on that tab and type cmd. Now we can do apk tool and then install framework, which is going to install this framework-res, which is going to give us additional binaries and libs so we can decompile this systemui.apk without running into any errors. IF stands for install framework, so framework-res.apk. We're going to let it do its thing. As you can see, it's now been installed to this file folder. Next, we want to decompile systemui.apk, which is also quite simple. apk tool d, and then we're going to decompile systemui.apk and send it to the folder systemui. Wonderful. As you can see in this Explorer, we now have systemui. And as I've been saying in all the other tutorials for the other operating systems, if you want to change the battery, for example, you can simply open this folder, change the icons in GIMP or Photoshop, recompile, and then push it back to the device. However, we're not going to necessarily be doing that in this exact tutorial, but that's how you do it. Now, finally, if you want to recompile all those files that you just changed, you can do systemui, apk tool build b system UI, and then we're going to send it to test.apk. As you can see, now it's building all the resources, and in a few seconds we should have a completed APK file, and there you have it. Right there is the test.apk. We are good to go. That concludes the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.